Hello everyone, welcome to SR Technologies. Here I am demonstrating an embedded project, Android car slot parking information system. The main aim of this system is it is going to send information about the empty slots in a parking area, and when the slots are empty, then only the vehicles will be allowed. If the slots are filled, then the vehicles are not allowed. The information can be sent through a Bluetooth module through your Android smartphone. That means the user can easily get the information whether the parking slots are available or not in the parking area. Let us see the demonstration. Here initially we need to pair Bluetooth module in your smartphone. So here you can see HC05. So you need to connect to that Bluetooth module. There is a terminal application. So here there is a button. This button is used to open and close the gate placed at the parking area. So when you press this button, the gate will be open, and after some time it will be closed. Same like these three sensors are used to detect the car has entered in parking area or not. So when there is any car is in front of that, then automatically it will send the information about the parking slot is filled. So here this is the terminal application where you can see you can connect to your Bluetooth. So if you press this button, that means no device is found. That means you have to search for devices. There is an HC05. You need to pair. So connecting HC05. When the connection is successful, that the information of slot 1, 2, 3 is going to send through the Bluetooth. So there are no cars in front of the sensors. That means the three slots are empty. When a car has entered, the user will open the gate and it will come to the slot 1. That means the one car was placed at particular slot. So that information will be sent through the Bluetooth. Here you can see that slot 1 is filled and slot 2, slot 3 are empty. Here there is a car in front of the slot 1 sensor, and there is no car in front of slot 2 and slot 3 sensors. And there is another car. Again the user will open the gate and he will enter into the slot 2. That means already slot 1 is filled. So slot 2 he has parked his car. Here you can see that slot 1 is filled and slot 2 is filled. There is only one remaining slot is empty, that is slot 3. So again another car is coming and that car has been placed in the slot 3. So there are 3 cars were placed in front of 3 slots. So here you can see that all parking slots are filled. That means there is no space in the parking area. So when any user comes and press the button, the gate will not be opened, because there is no parking space in the parking slot. That means if any user presses the button, the gate will not be opened until unless there is a free empty space in the parking slot area. Now we have an empty space, and when the user enters button, then automatically it will be turned on. That means the gate is opened. So like this, we can get the information of any parking area nearby our parking slots so that the users can easily go and park their vehicles. Thank you for watching the video.